Imagine someone punching you in the face. What happens? Your face will swell, right? That's called inflammation. Now imagine this inflammation happening inside your body every day. Chronic inflammation can cause pain, fatigue, and a range of health issues. But what if I told you that you can fight it? The solution might be right in your kitchen, and it's easier than you think. Welcome to the ultimate guide to anti-inflammatory foods. In this video, we'll dive into inflammation and the foods that help fight it, like turmeric, leafy greens, and healthy fats. You don't need expensive meds or restrictive diets. Your everyday foods can be your best defense against chronic inflammation. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a like, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing you the best. Now let's dive in. Anti-inflammatory foods are delicious, easy to incorporate, and improve health and metabolism. Don't just take my word for it. Science confirms that they reduce inflammation, improve hormones, and promote weight loss. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found a 37% reduction in inflammation in 10 weeks. Another study, published in the Journal of Nutrition, showed that omega-3s, such as those found in salmon, help with weight loss and improve sugar metabolism by 22%. Additionally, researchers at Harvard discovered that cutting out sugary and fried foods reduces inflammation by 25%. Before discovering which foods can help you fight inflammation, it's crucial to know which ones to eliminate from your diet right away. Some foods fuel inflammation in your body, hindering weight loss and worsening your overall well-being. Gluten. Gluten, found in wheat, barley, and rye, is one of the main culprits of chronic inflammation, especially for those who are sensitive or have celiac disease. Studies show that up to 6% of people suffer from non-celiac gluten sensitivity, with symptoms including bloating, joint pain, and fatigue. There are many tasty alternatives. Buckwheat pasta, brown rice, quinoa, or corn pasta are great gluten-free alternatives. You can also choose gluten-free bread made from flours like rice, corn, or teff. Nightshade vegetables. Tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and eggplants contain solanine, a compound that can worsen inflammation, particularly for those with autoimmune diseases. One study found that eliminating these vegetables improved symptoms in over 50% of patients with rheumatoid arthritis. Let's see the alternatives. You can replace nightshade vegetables with zucchini, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, and other leafy greens. Carrots and zucchini, for example, are delicious and contain no solanine. Refined sugars and processed foods. Refined sugar is one of the main contributors to inflammation. High sugar levels increase the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and can contribute to insulin resistance. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a sugar-rich diet can raise inflammatory markers by up to 40% in just a few weeks. To replace refined sugar, try natural sweeteners like raw honey, pure maple syrup, or stevia. Fresh fruit, such as apples and berries, is also a great alternative to satisfy your sweet cravings. Conventional dairy. Dairy products made from cow's milk are hard to digest for many people, causing inflammation and bloating. It's better to opt for alternatives like almond milk or goat milk-based products, which are more digestible and contain less casein, a protein that can trigger inflammatory responses. Instead, try almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. Alternatively, choose cheeses made from goat or sheep's milk, which are generally easier to digest than cow's milk products. Now let's take a look at the foods you should start eating today to reduce inflammation, lose weight, and feel better in no time. Grass-fed beef and cabbage. Grass-fed beef is rich in omega-3s and glutamine, both known to reduce inflammation. It contains up to 50% more healthy fatty acids compared to conventional beef. Red cabbage, on the other hand, is a plant-based alternative packed with antioxidants. Turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that, when combined with black pepper, increases absorption by 2,000%. Ginger, on the other hand, can reduce muscle pain by up to 25%, according to a study published in the Journal of Pain. Leafy greens and berries. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K, which help reduce inflammation. Berries like blueberries contain anthocyanins, compounds that lower oxidative stress by up to 20%. Avocado and olive oil. Healthy fats from avocados and extra virgin olive oil help regulate inflammation. Olive oil, thanks to its oleocanthal content, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory similar to ibuprofen, with proven effects in reducing inflammatory markers by 30%. Now, I'll show you an easy-to-follow anti-inflammatory diet plan that boosts energy, aids weight loss, and protects against chronic diseases. By cutting harmful foods and adding the right ones, you'll feel the difference. It's all about restoring your body, reducing inflammation, and feeling great with a simple commitment to change. Days 1 to 3. Detox and cleanse. For the first 3 days, the focus is on detoxifying your body by eliminating inflammatory foods and introducing nutrient-rich options to support internal cleansing and boost metabolism. This phase emphasizes foods that strengthen your immune system and promote recovery. Breakfast. Low-fat yogurt with fresh blueberries and whole-grain cereal for an antioxidant and fiber boost. Snack. A handful of nuts, almonds or walnuts for healthy fats and antioxidants. Lunch. Quinoa salad with roasted red peppers, cucumbers, avocado, and grilled salmon, dressed with extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. Packed with omega-3s and antioxidants to fight inflammation. Snack. An apple or pear, rich in fiber to aid digestion. Dinner. Fillet of oily fish, such as mackerel or sardines, with steamed broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes. Oily fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids that combat inflammation. Days 4 to 6. Renew and restore. These days focus on renewing energy levels and reducing inflammation-related symptoms. Foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals help strengthen the immune system and maintain stable energy levels. Breakfast. Oatmeal with mixed berries and chia seeds, ideal for digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Snack. Carrot and celery sticks with hummus for fiber and healthy fats. Lunch. Brown rice with lentils, spinach, and roasted zucchini, high in plant-based fiber to reduce inflammation and support digestion. Snack. A banana packed with potassium and fiber. Dinner. Grilled chicken with arugula, steamed asparagus, and avocado salad, dressed with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar to further reduce inflammation. Days 7 to 10. Optimize and stabilize. The final days focus on maximizing the benefits achieved so far. By now, your body should feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated. Continue eating foods that support weight loss and reduce inflammation. Breakfast. Green smoothie with spinach, banana, green apple, flax seeds, and almond milk, rich in fiber and antioxidants. Snack. A handful of nuts, hazelnuts or Brazil nuts, for a nutrient-packed boost. Lunch. Whole grain pasta with pesto sauce, basil, garlic, pine nuts, and olive oil, and grated Parmesan. A healthy pasta alternative that delivers nutrients without spiking blood sugar. Snack. An apple or peach for a natural source of sugars and fiber. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables, bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, and quinoa. A protein and fiber-rich dish to keep your body balanced. As we wrap up this anti-inflammatory plan, let's focus on practical tips to make it easier to stick with. This isn't just about what to add to your diet. It's also about avoiding foods that could slow down your progress. Finding the right balance is key, fueling your body with anti-inflammatory foods while cutting out the triggers that cause inflammation. 1. Meal prep for success. One of the best ways to stay on track is through meal prepping. Preparing your meals in advance ensures you always have healthy, inflammation-fighting options ready to go. Chop up fresh vegetables, portion out grass-fed beef, and pair antioxidant-rich berries with oats for a nutrient-packed breakfast. 2. Boost your routine with anti-inflammatory teas. Start your mornings with a soothing anti-inflammatory drink like ginger tea or a turmeric latte. These beverages not only help reduce inflammation, but also boost your metabolism, supporting weight loss and overall health. 3. Additional lifestyle tips for better results. To make the most of your anti-inflammatory diet, pair it with simple lifestyle habits that enhance your results. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to help flush out toxins and keep your body functioning at its best. Move your body. Combine your diet with regular physical activity like daily walks or light workouts. Exercise not only boosts energy and metabolism, but also helps lower inflammation. Prioritize rest. Don't forget to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Quality rest is essential for recovery, reducing inflammation, and keeping your energy levels steady. Boost your energy and well-being with smart food choices, hydration, exercise, and rest. This anti-inflammatory diet is more than a meal plan, it's a lifestyle. Ditch harmful foods, embrace nourishing ones, and enjoy better energy and health. Start today. Liked this video? Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share it, and comment your favorite anti-inflammatory food or what you'll try next. Let's get healthier together.